What's up everyone, and welcome back to today's video. I hope you're all having an amazing day. So everyone, in today's video we are doing a video that you guys requested. Now I did ask you on my Instagram page, by the way, in case you're not following me there, please do so. I'm going to have my info either up here or down here. But yeah, I asked you there what kind of videos you want to see on my channel next, and a lot of you voted for a makeup tutorial. Not only any makeup tutorial, but you requested to see a tutorial of me using the one and only mmmmitchell eyeshadow palette, which is of course this palette right here, you guys. And you even told me what kind of colors that you wanted to see. I was like, wow, okay, we are doing it. So you wanted to see red, yellow, purple, and what was the other one? Pink. I was like, you know what, when we look at this palette, we have all those shades, and this palette is pretty much capable of doing that and delivering. So I was like, yep, we are doing it next. So this is what I came up with using those colors that you guys picked. So yeah, this is the look that I am going to be, sharing with you guys, and this is the one that you requested. So I hope you are going to enjoy watching me create this look. And yeah, lots of love. Let's get into the tutorial that you guys requested. So here we go. Going in with this shade here called Melted, which is this gorgeous color right here. So yeah, taking this and just packing this one here all over the lid. Now I'm going to go ahead and wet my brush so that the product sticks in there. And this one will go right on the lid right here. And by the way, you guys, I have already primed my eyelids, as I always do, using makeup revolution canvas, cut crease canvas, which is this one here. So yeah, packing this shade just all over the lid. It is a gorgeous color. Ooh, look at that, stunning. And the next shade I'm going to take is called Morgan, and it's this matte purple right here at the bottom. So this shade right here, and this one is going to go just above that first shade, of course. I'm just going to more like just pack it right here. That is a stunning matte shade. Look at that, gorgeous. I just love the colors in this palette, you guys. They're absolutely amazing and so easy to work with, So that's how the eyes looks like so far, you guys, with those two shades. Now I'm going to go in with this beautiful bright vibrant red color, which is called Mad, which is this one right here, this color here. And I'm going to apply this one just right next to the purple, just in this area here. So let's take some from there, and of course I want this one to be just around this area, because of course we have to leave some space for another shade. Wow, look at that pigmentation, you guys, amazing. Like that. And I'm probably going to just join those two together nicely, kind of fade in and out. So here we have all the colors together, the yellow, the red, the purple. Beautiful. What do you guys think so far? I really like this look. So the next shade I want to put in the inner part of the eye is this beautiful hot pink called Morning Glory, which is this one right at the bottom here. So it's this shade right here. So yeah, that's the one that is going to go right in the inner part of the eye. And let's do that. So for that I'm changing the brush, just so that we get the area beautifully coated with this hot pink right here. So let's apply this one right. Oh, I like this already. Wow. So in this area, and next up I want to put another shade in this area right here, and I'm looking at this one here called Mixer. It's more like a mustard shade, this one right here. So it's like a yellow mustard shade. So I'm going to take this one, of course using a different brush, and just tapping off the excess, and this one is going to go just around that area. That doesn't look too bad, although I feel like I would have loved to go with something a little bit more brighter, but I think it's okay. You know what, I might add this yellow color here called Manchester, which is this one here, just on top of that. But let's see where this one takes us. Just keep building up a little bit more, because I also want the color to show up. I mean, it does show up already. So like I've said, I'm going to add a bit of Manchester, you guys, just a tiny bit of this on top of that first, on top of Mixer, just taking just a tiny bit of Manchester and just popping this one on top, so that the color is more vibrant. Yes, look at this one, awesome, beautiful. I love the finish like that. Now this I am liking, beautiful. I'll probably go back to the paper and just bring that color to life again, but you can see over here like this, something like this. That's what I had in mind, and I'm going to actually just buff it all the way through here. Now that we have the top eyes looking nice and beautiful and colorful, now it's time to do the bottom one, and I'm going to begin by taking this purple shade right here, which of course I have already used right there. So taking that and just buffing this one everywhere at the bottom here. So just this area here. Oh, not in my eye, thank you very much. Like that. So yeah, buffing it here. Every time I do my my bottom waterline, of course my eyes always waters. They're quite sensitive when it comes to this area here. You can see already they're like watering, but it's normal, it's okay. So just continuing with this color and actually joining them together. You can see where the purple shades right here. So yeah, just joining them here like that. I could have used a smaller brush actually underneath here. That could have been perfect. And next up, I'm going to take those two shades up here, which is of course the hot pink and the red, and just buff those one right at the bottom of the paper. So that was Pomade and also Morning Glory, which are these two shades here, just this one here and the one above that. So taking those two, let's start with the red one first, and just buffing it along this area here like that. Oh, look how those two colors look together, nice. Okay, and then just almost like creating a wing just around here like that. That looks amazing, I love that. Okay, and then we're going to take the hot pink and apply this one just at the bottom of that. Of course I want this look to be quite colorful. That's the whole idea, like that. Looks nice. I am loving this. You can see how the colors, you know, come together to life. It's just like wow. And I'm going to go back to the purple shade and just take a tiny bitty and just buff this one, you know, together with the rest of the eyeshadows in this area here, just, you know, so that the purple don't feel like it's left out there on its own. Just try to fade it in with, say, you know, the rest of other, like that. Alright, you guys, we are looking good. We are looking good. Awesome, awesome. Now I'm going to take this color over here, of course, to highlight the brow bone, which is, which one should I take actually? Let's see. Flip it to the other side, which is of course called Muffin. It is this one right here. Such a stunning. I keep on digging into these eyeshadows using my nails. Can you guys see that? Ah, my goodness me, I'm destroying my own palette. Yeah, so taking this one right here. Wow, did I actually put too much there? Maybe. Wow, that color, I may have to tone it down. I prefer this side. I think this side I did an amazing job. This side is a little bit too much, so what do we do? A clean brush or my fingers? Let's see, we have to choose one. Let's go with a brush. So taking a clean brush and just, you know, fading that away. It is time to highlight the inner corners. Now I'm going to take this one here called Minty. It is such a stunning shade that I have used many times in the past, which is this one right here. So yeah, taking that one, using a different brush now. This one is like a pencil, you know, oops, pencil brush. Why is it already pink on it? Oh my goodness me. So removing the pink, I don't know how the pink got there, but all right, so let's take just a tiny bit of that. Actually, you know what, I'm going to spray this one with some setting spray and just taking that shade and applying this one right here in the inner corners. Not so much, just a tiny bit there. Oh, that is amazing. I've used this shade before and it's just such a gorgeous color to highlight. All right, you guys, so this is how the eyes looks like so far. You can see those colors, just how much of the color payoff we get. Super pigmented, and I just love the whole combo, you know, pink, red, purple together. It's just gorgeous finish. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is of course just apply some mascara, pop on some lashes, and should I add a black eyeliner? Maybe I'm not sure. I might add a black eyeliner or not. We shall find out, but I'll be right back to show you guys the finished look. All right, everyone, so that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this beautiful colorful eye look right here. Now I'm going to share with you what I've used for the rest of my face, because I always forget to list those down below, and most of you guys always wanted to know what I have for my lips and all that good stuff. So let me quickly share that with you. So for a blush, I use this palette here from BH Cosmetics called Blushing in Bali, which is this one right here. And if you've seen my 2019 best highlighters, this palette is also in there. So I went ahead and used this coral shade in the middle here for my blush. So that's the one I've used. Such a beautiful, stunning blush. So that is that. And then of course for a contour and highlighter, I went ahead and used this Patricia Bright Acceleration Beauty, which is this palette over here. This one is called Dusk 2 Down. It is the deepest shade from her collection, and it looks like this. So yeah, I've used the middle shade at the contour, and then the highlighter shade, which is this one here. So that's what I used to to highlight, and it's quite beautiful and popping. And then for mascara, I've used from Essnce, which is their Volume Stylist 18-hour lash extension, which is of course my favorite mascara from them. It's this one right here. So that is the one I used to apply my mascara. And then the lashes are from Morphe, which I received in my mystery box, I believe. So yeah, and then for the lips, we have a Nars lipstick, which is such a gorgeous shade, you guys, this one here. And yeah, The shade for this one, it's called Slow Ride. So that is the one that I have on my lips. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous color that I love using. Such a beautiful nude color that is perfect for my skin. So that is pretty much that, you guys. So yeah, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to smash the like button, and if you're not yet subscribed, please do so by ringing that red button, hitting the red button, ringing the red button. Can't talk. Hit the red button and subscribe, please. I will appreciate that. And yeah, lots of love. Go have a good one. Take care. And again, let me know what you think of this look down in the comment section below. And yeah, lots of love, you guys. Bye for now. I shall catch you on my next one. Take care. Bye bye.